Okay, great. Is it ready?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, please create a new class. Okay, give it any name you want. And then I want you to create a method that print the following statement 10 times. I will send you the statement in chat.
Can you repeat the instructions?
Yeah, it will repeat this statement 10 times.
Okay. Repeat.
I send you the statement that you're going to print. Okay, great, but I want you to achieve this using methods. I want you to create a method that performs this task.
Okay, do repeat message. Uh,
You're creating a class, we are creating a method. Do you remember
method.
when we talk about methods? It has header. Yeah. Okay.
And we
So
will
I want you
do.
to print this line 10 times. I want to repeat, okay, to perform this print statement 10 times. How we're gonna do it?
So basically, we are going to go to make this class right here. Hold on. Refer to my notes. Reading. I'm going to do shake hands, repeat.
You cannot use repeat here because repeat is not static. I told you this note yesterday. I know we still didn't talk about the static in details, but only to know for now that you cannot use unstatic method inside a static method.
Okay.
Yeah, and the static keyword should be prior to the return type.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this way it's gonna work.
Oh, yeah. CSE.
Okay, but I want you to print this statement 10 times, not one
Oh,
time.
yeah, that's right.
Okay, I understand. What you do now is correct. Is 100% correct. But I want another achievement. Like I want only one call of this repeat, okay, to print this statement 10 times. Like, yes, I want here in the implementation of repeat method, I want you to print this statement 10 times. What you do is correct and like it will do the same, but I'm very specific today in what I want. Yeah, I want only one call of repeat function will print this I'm learning methods and OOP 10 times.
Okay. Well, for loop might do that. A for loop, maybe.
Yes, exactly. You should use for loop inside the repeat. No, don't do it here. Do it inside
Okay.
the repeat method.
Ah, okay.
All what you need to do is to cut line number 9. You have nothing to do with the R. You should cut the line number 9 and paste it on line number 11. That's all.
What do you mean in here?
No, on line number 11. Just remove this line number
Oh,
9
11.
and
Oh, yeah.
replace it with line
Oh,
number
yeah.
9.
Ugh.
Okay, great. Now delete line number 9 and you have only one very small mistake here. You know what is it?
Um, Probably couldn't go to 0, maybe 0 to
Yes,
10.
exactly. Because if you start from 1, this statement will get printed only 9 times, not 10. We want this statement to get printed 10 times, so we should start from 0, not 1. So now that's
Mhm.
perfect. Run your code and you will get the expected result.
This is 10.
Okay, great.
Faster than that. Fast.
No, it's already fast. Like, you don't need to modify it. It's all good. Do you remember we had before class called student?
Last one.
We have created before class called student. Do you remember?
I don't remember, I don't think.
It's okay. Forget about it now. I want you to, in the same class, I want you to create a new method, okay, that calculate the area of rectangle.
Okay.
You know how to calculate the area of rectangle?
I think so. Maybe.
Okay. So now create a
Is
new
it going to be a method? It's going to be a class. It should be a new
It's a
class.
method. Forget about class. I'm talking now about methods.
Okay.
Remove all these empty lines because it's useless.
Just delete everything.
Delete 12, 13, 14. No, don't delete this. I'm just telling you
Oh,
to
okay.
delete the empty lines. 12, 13, 14. Yeah,
Okay.
okay, great. Now create a new method. Method.
Okay. What should it be called? Okay.
Create a new method. What are you doing, brother? Is this the right place to create a new method? Is this one the correct place to write a new method? On the same line on the closing bracket?
No, this is better, right?
You should
12.
start
12
on a
is
new line, not on the same line with the closing bracket, brother. You are messing with your code, and you will get it like very complicated.
okay. So then maybe 13 and 13 and 12. 12 is good, right?
Now, is it hard for you to hit enter so you go to new line?
No.
Hit enter. Yes, now we are
Okay.
on new line. Please
Okay.
do this every time. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, from the name calculate rectangle, do we expect an output from this method?
Yes.
Okay, so the return type should
So,
not be void. It should be from the same data
mhm.
type of the value that I expect.
Public int.
Okay, great. So to calculate uh, uh, area of rectangle, we need to have some input, which is the length and width as an input.
Okay.
And you cannot return the same function again like this. It's a completely different topic, which is very advanced. You cannot do this right now. You should return a value. Okay? So I'm telling you, leave the return keyword because we need it. But I'm talking now about a value. We will return a value of the type integer. This value should represent the area of rectangle. To calculate the area of rectangle, we should have an input of the rectangle length and rectangle width, which both of them are also integers. How to implement this? What we call this inputs? We call it parameters. You remember? Brother, I'm telling you, you hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm telling you this method called calculate rectangle needs inputs, two inputs. One is called length, one is called width, and both of them of the type integer. Yes. These are called parameters. Not plus, but comma. Okay, you will return not length plus width, but length times width. Okay, good. Just please remove all these empty lines. I don't know why you put all these empty lines. It's useless. And it's very confusing.
Mhm.
Yeah, like this, it's very good. Now, can you run your program? But don't forget to call the calculate rectangle method.
Oh
Brother,
yeah, color above. Yeah. Yeah, I
yeah,
remember now.
focus. Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Again, you cannot call it. You know why? It's for the same reason. Again,
What's that expect?
yes, step. Now you can call it. So now we should pass the values for the width and length. And these values are called arguments. Values. Brother, wait.
Okay. Oh yeah.
You use int width, int length like this in the method declaration. But here I expect a value. Value of the type int represents the width, another value of the type int represents the length. Value. What is the value of type integer?
It's width.
Number.
Oh, the width, the number.
Width is a
There is no
number.
value yet.
It's of the data type integer. So here I should put a value. Put any value. Any value
Any
of the
value.
type
Okay.
integer. Now,
Okay.
yeah. 20, now it's referred to be the width. Then 40, it's referred to the length. As you can see, there is a hint in front of each of these values. So here 20 is going for the width, 40 is going for the length. When I go in the implementation of calculate rectangle, it will multiply 20 times 40.
I see.
Yeah, print.
Yeah. It's okay.